How to remove uninstalled apps from App Store. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to remove uninstalled apps from App Store. So let's begin. First, make sure first that your iOS is up to date. To do that, simply go to settings. So let's go back first and then look for general. So click on general and then click on software update. Once you are in software update, wait for it to load and then make sure to click on download and install on the bottommost part of the software update. And then let's say, for example, that you have already done that. What you're going to do is to go to the App Store now and then click on your profile found on the upper right corner of the screen. And then once you're in the upper right corner of the screen or the profile, simply go to purchase right here and then wait for it to load. And again, click on my purchases. Once you are right here, what you're going to do is to simply swipe left like this one. So for example, I have deleted this app on my phone. And then what you're going to do is to swipe left and then you may be able to see the hide option right here. So yes, you may only hide it and not completely delete it. So make sure to click on hide like that one and then you may choose another app. Simply swipe left, click on hide, and then that's it. That's how you can remove uninstalled apps from App Store. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.